belly fuck beat. Just succeed, make your body jump beat. Anybody this the family you must. Little boy your mama should I tell you about it. We soon come feed with them gyal run down. We no pull stone feet. Dial and broke like a fool must grieve. Tell them I know everybody you got on me.
What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, Ruby do be in the background. To the media, I say, oh, I go get some work done to it. Given our update, same speed. So the plan for today now, I have to put on the disc back in, put on the coilovers, have the integral front, spindle and hub and the big brake kit. I want to put on them there. Plus, I want to sort out the light, the back light them, you know, screw them up and tighten them up and thing. Plus, I can one and few brackets so the mechanic can drop in the engine. So yeah, so we're gonna get started. I know she's been sitting so long, she's very dirty, but you don't know you go peeps. Just like, share and subscribe to the channel and follow along the journey. Is it? So as you can see peeps, Mama sit down outside and dirty up, you know. So I gotta start Panaya now still, you know. So currently this is my block, you know, light and flywheel, ARP, flywheel boats. So currently in the block, ARP head studs.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
ACL race bearings, Nippon pistons, you see me? So yeah, the block ready. Just the head for finish up machine shop, brand new water pump. And then back and the box can drop in, you know. So that is it. So I have a lot of things to start today. Drilled and started rotors, subframe and trailing arm. Apply for that. Max speeding rods. E6 coilovers, some engine mounts, some brackets, tool pan, some stock radiator fan. So this can use back, so use that. Seat belts. This are the radiator, the coolant overflow reservoir. Probably use it back there. Team up my seatbelts, safety. Poly bushings for the subframe, front subframe. I'll buy some new one. I all want them there. I'll drop on my plate them down there. Say why not? The machine look nice again.
You know what we need for Nick? Some car legacy. Yeah, some car legacy plate covers.
I want to do it, man. Drop on the plate, then make it look official. You see me? I got jack her up here now and start disassemble the back end, take out the stock coilovers, take out the drum trailing arm business and get ready for start out, you know? So made this down at iron shore, huh? I'm ready that too, boy. this back end. I buy some drilled and started rotors. As you can see. You see me? So them I figure upon them there. So that we are gonna do right now. So yeah. Need to try take off them yeah. If I put in a new one then, but boy I tell them I can't pull the brake line there, so I left it alone. You see me? I bolt in like them because the last time I never have the right nut them to bolt in like them. So I buy them a national supply. So we can at least drop up the block. Well, if not today, at least at a later date. So, yeah. So I'm gonna put some color on my gearbox. So purple blast and I'm going there. As you can see, the block pretty with the aluminium paint, spray paint, so we same for this. Gearbox, just paint it, give it a light coat, aluminium spray paint. The block have the post mount bolted on, flywheel on, and everything. So I go bolt the gearbox to the box, and we are gonna put in the box and the block in the car. The head, I forgot machine shop go sort out. But that now gonna take 30 minutes, says you. Watch my foot. Yes, sir. Machine. Alright, peeps.
You serious? I put it out now. I can't test you.
Made that, but it's worth it, you know?
That is it.
Worth it. Ruby, I get the princess treatment out here. Alright, so update. Just put on the drill and started rotors on the back. spindle and send. Front one I get problems, and I left that alone. So we are going to try to pull out what under the car, put up a new one them, put in the coilovers, put in the subframe, and then that's it. The engine block and gearbox in, so that's a plus. Never video that, but I'm showing. So the block and the gearbox in. Just the head for going, you know, and you know, the rest of things. Some buy this aluminum subframe brace and control arms, and I'm going to replace those. As you can see, it have an aftermarket subframe brace, but the control arm them stock. So the aluminum goes give one different vibe to me. So while the subframe brace are going, rise out the suspension. I put in the back one them. Max Speed in rods. So Max Speed is now an official partner with Car Legacies. So you don't know, say, if you want coilovers, if you want connecting rods, if you want turbos, if you want any car accessories, you know, just go to the Max Speed website. At checkout, you can type the code LEGACY1 to get 15% off for every order. As I say, Max Speed I have a spring special right now and a 8% off. So you can legit get 15% off using my code. So you just do it right, you see. Alright guys, so close off for today. A lot has done, isn't me? So putting in the back, this back coilovers, trailing subframe brace. I need one new that they do. Isn't me? Put in the light them properly. Keep a box and take out the all exhausts. All back coilovers them and all back subframe brace. I sell them there, so if anybody want them, you can link me up. This side are looking good same way. And we put in the motor. That's a lock. We put in the motor, so now all I have to do, I connect up most of the parts, them alternator, starter, and them sitting there. But them they can go on. Simple 1, 2 for them to go on. You see me? T-bracket run back, torque mount, bracket, head put on, extractor, radiator, hose them, and then you know we can start up and tune up and touch road. You don't know I got peep, so I get there. We're getting there. See it? Ruby 2.0 is closer than you think, isn't me? Yeah man. The angle is bad, no lie. But the jack up here now still, so yeah peeps, that is it. It's a good look. Take off the drum back in. So that's that. So probably can put on the rims next time. I make it sit down properly. I need some new brake pads for the front and the back. So yeah man, I'm a windshield for putting into, but that they can do at any time, and then interior for putting. So you don't know peeps, 5:47 now to 6 out there from after 12. So it probably look like a little bit of time to uno. A long time with and enough things to do. So right now I'm a boss, I'm head that kill me. So I will clean up, go up on the road, go back on my way, get some food, and that's it. See a white scalp. I got another half of stomach them, I'm hungry. Oh yeah man. That is it peeps. Ruby 2.0 update. Hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one. I don't know when yet, but most likely sometime next week. Yeah, but get in there. My head that kill me. Anyways, like, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Peace out as usual. Big up. And that my girl look good. So every top of Sakura and gets in for them cause hungry a strike. So maybe it's a dog get dead for hungry. So you know say I will full up the tank before we go back and mobile, you know?
You are where your name. Me say hi bastard. Cyrano don't clear otherwise one done. How we run file mouth while I'm bad. From your